And your children shall be like the stars above. The Most High God be the watchman of his nation.
Fellow Ambazonians, fellow people of the Southern Cameroon Territory, welcome to the critical analysis hosted by me, your anchorman today, Comrade Kapu Daniel, Sense Pasking, una Ambazonian FBI, and I come today for una this day, number 4 day for the month of November, for bring una critical analysis, breaking news where they go on for Ground Zero, and many much more. For those who want to watch me for Ground Zero, I want to salute una. It could be now evening time. Now already morning time for Hong Kong. When I know got the time there, so it be very very funny. Now for Hong Kong, now morning time for around 2 o'clock for morning time. For Ambazonia, it could be now evening time. And all now when I go to watch me for a Ambazonian Communication Network, our new Liberation TV. I want for Saluduna, the Ambazonian Communication Network, the ACN, na a network for the people, na a network where they empower the people, and a network will be open for all Ambazonian. Finally, we then get what TV channel where you go to communicate with una for Ground Zero, where you go to give access for all activists for Ambazonia, to give una updated news where they go on for the diplomatic push for get our independence, as well as news where they for Ground Zero. So I want to thank all man for come, and I will be interactive with the people that they watch for Facebook and for many other platforms. Once more, na welcome. We'll get a lineup of a lot of people the way they go to come up, we go to interview them. And my country people, if you not watch me, I be in una own countryman. I go to talk with our own country talk, the pidgin English language, and a language way for the first time Ambazonian people them they will be able to communicate, debate things the way concern them for a language where they understand them. For many years, the people them for Ambazonia, the government that they communicate for them or they discuss about them with language where they need to understand them, and that one alone it make them it move people them where they need to participate for politics. Now only people they come over town they can take position for one way. Now on a day for inside village or for place them for around Ambazonia or they go through the pains them, but instead because of the language barrier they don't always take advantage for we. So they want bring English language for the forefront so that make all man they hear way to way they happen, all man be able to participate for way to way they happen throughout our national territory. So today we don't get breaking news where they come from the great state of Nso, the people of Nso inside Kumbu. We don't hear say the Bui warriors them, the group where it be attached to the Sako own IG group. They kidnap some teacher them for inside some school for day. We don't get the number say now 12 teacher they done the day. We don't try to talk for the local teacher. We also talk for the church member them for day. We don't hear say village people them for instance salt land. They don't begin gather say they want go for that Bui warrior they come for go take back their picking them. I go try for give una more analysis and maybe I go play some audio them who I don't communicate with the people that for they immediately narrate una way to way it happen for Ground Zero. Nevertheless, I go and welcome all man. Now time this would always take some 1 minute for play some music and then we go welcome all our citizens the way they for abroad, the one the way they for inside Ground Zero, the one the way they for Ground One, and all across our national territory. So this time I will choose a special song where come out for the great state of Boyo, for Boom in particular, and I'll use now this song for welcome all man where they watch me live, and for those who they will watch me later on, I want for salute. So welcome all man and the people then why they see their name now for my screen. The people the way they watch me time why they do this show live for Facebook. I they see say Obina they online, Obina Ize they online, Chiamog and they watch me live, Ben Wills they watching me live Biko Khan as well they watch me live, and all the other people they could watch me for Ground Zero one obviously in the corner. I want to salute now for the people there for menu. For Manu, the one they waiting there for Fako, I want to salute now. The one they waiting there for Omoyo Job, for Tiko, for Mutengene, Atrio na salute. For our people there for Fiango, where they don't go through a lot this time. I want to Atrio na salute, and for all our forces there for Ground Zero, at Court Cafe. I I want to salute in particularly our Supreme Commander, the overall commander for the Ambazonian Defense Forces, them, General Efang, aka Big Number. So, ladies and gentlemen, once more, I want to welcome all now for this platform, the Critical Analysis, when a production for the No Koni Talk Zone, a platform where we talk only the truth and we bring on an update with the hold the truths to power and make sure say everything we our leader them detail we a thing where they fit do so that our people then go fit make up their mind and we for support the people them and for stand for civil liberty. That means we believe for the power for the people by knowledge. We believe say the people then deserve for handle information where it concern their future so that me they know which way they happen around them and me they participate as well for debate. Now the thing that will stand up for this platform. So ladies and gentlemen, when I welcome for this platform and I will take note for una comments them and make una comment and make it be civil. Today we want start with the CC, with the follow and with the monitor the election where they go up for the United States of America. America now the biggest country for the world, now the most powerful country for the world, now a war power. And thing where it happen for America, it impact the whole world, in particularly for we for Ambazonia. When I remember say the American State Department, if you don't enter inside agreement with Goji Dinka, the leader of the Republic of Ambazonia group as well, will be there for America, and they want to try for support the Ambazonia their quest for independence. So America don't always be a friend for Ambazonia. America now the hope for country like ours for survive and for strive, as America don't always stand like a city on a hilltop for many countries. So now as we talk, the American election it go on. The election day now on the 3rd, way today now on the 4th for place where they did for Hong Kong. When I see God's time, but the election for inside the United States of America it go. So we monitor the situation. American election, they're not getting at the same type of election they will be familiar with. For America, their election, they use now some election where they call them say the electoral college. Electoral college it be different from the popular vote or where they all them na universal suffrage, but the popular vote. That means one man, one vote. And na style because America na a federation, na a federal republic. Where you get different federation them. Some federation them big person one. So for make and say me all them be equal, time when they do one vote. They need to count now one by one vote, but they count now vote for this place, it will give how many, vote for that place, it will give how many. So for people the way they never over understand this type of election, make I put some picture, make gonna see example for America. I say the election for America, and I say their map is there. When I see the map where they from my corner, this map it get plenty number them for day. That means say for example, for inside America, if this type of election where they call an electoral college, they go talk say for the 13 states where they for Ambazonia, if na electoral college where they want do they talk say for because say Mezam is plenty, more talk say Mezam go get na 3 vote, 3 point. Man we win Mezam go get 3 point. Man we win Boyo, he go get 2 point. Man we win Manu, he go get 4 point. Man we win Manfe, he go get 6 point. Man we go win Lebialem, he go get 7 point. So now say they take and choose president for America, so that the place where over plenty, it no go over the politician. They no go focus now on that place too much, and then the side where you no get plenty people them, they no go they ever care about them because when they vote, their vote need already count because now vote for number. So America then decide say instead for begin make vote by number, that means say the most popular person he win, then the people then wey dem overget population, the state the way they overget population, they go become more important than the one the way they small. So for balance and me the big state them and the small state them, me then get the same power time for election, then give them a number, they call an electoral college, so that the difference no go be plenty, and even the small state them they go matter. So that every time where a person want be a president for America, that person go make sure say he go for all these places them, he no go minimize any place. So now option then this will see how America they empower a people them and they call and send a democracy. So this is a real democracy. Unlike for La Republique, when I know the electoral process for La Republique, you not even get a benchmark. A benchmark means say you not get a minimum of people that for vote. For La Republique, even now 5 people them vote for election, that election will be valid. But some country they use the universal suffrage, the popular universal suffrage, that means say one man one vote system. They always get a benchmark. Say if some person don't get up to 60%, you know, if you win, it will go for a run-off. That means they go repeat them again. So we follow and we monitor the election where they go on for the United States of America, and according to the polls and where they for the key place and way Donald Trump, if he win, he go become president for America. He go be now for Pennsylvania and for Florida. Those 2 places them, it will be very crucial, because when I see for this map, the place away it didn't red, now place away Donald Trump be win them for last election. The place away they for blue, now the one the way they be lose them for Democrat them. For Hillary Clinton, when I remember election for Hillary Clinton and Donald Trump. And then the other one the way color one day pink, so the one the way missing a one the way swing state, that means say it did for middle. Plenty people every day they support Donald Trump, another one they support Biden. So he didn't have state them for middle. So if all man the number way if they need them for win, now for get up to 270 points. As the election go to come or it go to come, we go to count the point them point by point, and we will declare whether Donald Trump don't win, it will continue a second term for office, or na Joe Biden. So for America, it be very clear. Time for election, it go come, people go vote. They don't mind whether na coronavirus it or na which kind sick it outside, but na time for vote. And the American system of election, they also get something they call and say early voting. Early voting, that means say voting by mail. If you vote by sending your mail for vote, if you post your mail for vote. So the result, they get also computer. The election for America, not be only you go take paper, put them for box, then get paper where they put a box. They also give computer where you can touch and choose for skin. Like how you do for your mobile phone. You choose who you want them. You choose who you want them. That one is easy for count them. But now because of coronavirus and plenty people no one for join skin, they call on social distancing for America. So the plenty people for the first time for America, plenty millions of people then decide to vote by post office. You make your own vote. You make requests say you want vote. They go send you that document. You sign them. You put your signature and you send them. But the problem now where they be the talk for America and Donald Trump, if he talk say, what about if to say some man you go vote, you go put your letter for post office that same day where they vote. Before your letter one come for the place where they count the vote for the electoral commission, their office, they already count vote then finish. What did they go do in that case? So then get that debate for America, and the court they be talk say he get 3 days delay. That means say he get 3 days 3 days delay. That means say if you post for post office your letter for election for America, the day where the post office take that letter is stamp them, they go look na that day, then they go count them. So the election it go complicate this year because some people their letter where them vote now by posting because people are busy, it go take delay. So for me, I dey support na Republicans them because I been a conservative person. My values, I dey follow na value, my principle, and I dey follow na individual. And I believe say the Christian value the one I grow up with, I may be more in line with the one for Republicans them. But this year for American election, I don't mind if na Joe Biden win or na Donald Trump win. Why? Because Joe Biden, it don't show a lot of interest for the problem for Ambazonia, and for me, na the most important thing that Donald Trump, it be slow, but when it want take action, it take him. So they go to the last degree. So for me, Warren I would win for America, I go be happy. But if I feel make a prediction for who I feel say if he win, my prediction will be na Donald Trump. Because I believe say for the last debate we then do one for America, in terms of policy, it be strike a note with the real concern with the American people. And as for that place, I'd always look my person where to win. Because for America, then get pose and way the measure, the thing the way it be more important for people their life before they do one vote. And this time they will get economy, they will get coronavirus also, but later on it can go down. So the first way America they worry na economy, second way they will worry na violence and protests, law and order, and then you get also their Supreme Court. So they get a lot of things. In my assessment, in those debate, that last debate, Donald Trump won the election and he won the heart of many people because people don't have time. During the debate is a very important time for those leaders to pass their message. So, but I don't mind if Joe Biden and Kamala win or Donald Trump win. I really don't mind. But I congratulate the Americans and the Ambazonian Americans for them for live in a country where they get democracy. And we hope say most countries they go fit emulate this type of democracy, and we Ambazonia will go learn. And I see online I get feedback from one of our sisters they call Victorine Doku. He talks say how Joe Biden show interest for Ambazonia. Okay, yes. Joe Biden at show interest indirectly because the protests will go on for Nigeria where they fight against SARS. Joe Biden released a statement to condemn the Nigerian government in a measured manner. So it shows say be more prone to show concern about the things the way they happen for inside Africa and by Ambazonia subsequently. And if you look the bill way they for America, their parliament, their Senate, their upper house now, it will be submitted by Democrats. It will be written by Democrats. You have the Senator Cardin who they talk for you, they try to help them, they try to help Ambazonia and a Democrat them, but now by a partisan issue. But they always wait in a Republican meeting and join them. So Republicans they don't always get a non-intervention approach for Africa. That means they need to intervene for Africa. They need to put their mouth for Africa. That thing. Wait for me, I like them. For me, I like them because I know I prefer me that like, you see how they can kill. I have to send something. When I see how they will kill Libya, Muammar Gaddafi, even during the time of Obama, they will kill Gaddafi. They intervene a lot. And America in intervention for Africa, usually it will always be influenced by the French and the Europeans when they are allied, and it need always be in the favor of Africans. But the Republicans, they need to always get interest. I actually prefer to live with a white man who no get interest than to live with a white man who is pretending that he loves you but they don't love you. And if you look at in terms of value, the Democrats, they have come up with homosexual promoting homosexuality from the time of Bill Clinton, and then it became law during the time of Obama. They promote these values that are contrary to the values of Ambazonia. Me personally, I don't think we should criminalize sexuality, but to legalize homosexual marriage, I think it is against our tradition, because marriage is a bedrock of a family. Family comes about due to procreation. Procreation gives birth to marriage. So to redefine marriage as a union between people of the same sex is against logic, and it's against tradition, and it's against my religious beliefs. So I think when it comes to things like that, and also you see the promotion of abortion, which targets blacks, all those things are not things that for me as a Messianic Jew, a Christian, a believer, I don't think those are things I can support. Nevertheless, we know that America are the most influential country for the world, and what will happen for America be very important. So we monitor the development for the election for America. The early election, they don't begin the come in, they don't start the countdown, but the result they never they come in yet. Once they come in, we will report them for now for ACN, Ambazonia Communication Network. So my fellow country people them, why would you monitor the issue for America? I go on for take una for do a measure correction. This one a corrigendum what one do am. We will make a very big mistake for my last show I do am. We will make a series who will show a lot of infiltration. For a long time we'll be done the explain for Ambazonia and they say for 2018 La République du Cameroon be recruit some youths them specifically for send them for inside Ambazonia for infiltrate our struggle. Some of those youths them be now youths them will be know them when they be there for their camps them they be communicate with we they provide with intelligence, and this time we don't begin see them for the field. So in my presentation I want to show now one of those people them where then they for La République when they don't infiltrate our struggle. In this case a gendarme, and I go play the wrong, yes, this is a picture. I go play the wrong video. Actually, this is a guy. The name don't come out from my head. Now, excuse me, I need to forget the guy name. Oops. I'll get the soldiers the soldier name. Oh yes. So I played the wrong video. The video that was supposed to, this if you can look in my phone, I'll have to show this one because it's very important for me to make this correction. Look at my picture. This soldier on this video I played was the wrong person. This is not the same person on this picture. So we made a mistake. It was an honest mistake. As a matter of fact, the soldier that we show on that video, which is called the unknown soldier, is a soldier, a former ADF soldier, who is actually now working with us on the ground to help solve this matter. Somehow I mistakenly play his video and pointed him as a person who is a gendarme. It is wrong. This gendarme who have infiltrated our struggle is already in the ground, already in the field, and this intelligence is correct. But we mistakenly put the video of a wrong person when we put the picture. So my papa them and mommy them will be make mistake and I want correct the mistake. This boy for this picture na a La République du Cameroon gendarme where Idam infiltrate our struggle. It pretends to be now one of the forces them for Ground Zero, where they instead it work now for La République. We will put this presentation. Then will be show many other presentation for other people the way they are gendarme them. Cameroon military way they don't enter with, including this boy. This boy and a fake amber boy. They want to be military man, but they be sending an informant. Me go pretend to be an amber boy. It work with La République. So it was a series of many of those people them who will try to expose them. Then I go use the wrong, unfortunately I use the wrong picture, so I don't want to make apology on that. So that is the correction I want to make. The danger is real. We know that the Catholics have also been involved in for try to convince some fighter they meet and join the La République du Cameroon their side. Many of those fighters that don't be killed. And would want if we inform our soldiers then for Ground Zero, me them be vigilant, me them make sure me them be careful with their recruitment, and for be the vanguard for the people that revolution as we fight for our independence. I hope say that corruption it don't go fine. So I go 110 back for Ambazonia now to Amber. Would you hear say news they come for inside the great state of Bui, say the Bui warriors them, one of the Amba groups them where they fight under Sako Ikome and Chris Anu their group, they ran kidnap teacher them for instance on school for day. According to information we would get them 12 teachers them they be kidnapped by the Bui warriors them, then take them for their camp. Would under the talk for the people them for ground zero, they talk say the church people them for day, the quarter people them for day, they gather, they rally people them, say me them march, go protest for that Bui warrior their camp, me them release all this their people the way their teacher the way they don't catch them. As a matter of fact, this one now one of the evidence where they show we say some people then they for diaspora where they don't chop money for La Republic, they try for influence this our boy them where they do good job for fight for the independence. These people that they influence them for use them for a wrong thing. And this one it shows say these people the way they control this Bui warrior them, they work now in the favor of La Republic. Because at the time where all we would be concerned because of the killing of our Pekin them for inside school for Kumba. Why they go the send this Amba boys them, me then go instead attack na our people them, our teacher them at this moment for a private school, for goodness sake. Would ban all La Republic to come around their school for inside Ambazonia. But when it come for private school and mission school, would it take a passive approach? As a matter of fact, this school be already communicate with we. They no be that meet up with the required standard for become a community school. But they were flexible. There is no need to go and arrest teachers in a private or a mission school. Why you don't give them warning? Why would I not give them warning? Tell them what they need for do for their picking to go school. Because our fight no be against education. We fight now against alien institutions them, including educational institutions from La Republic. Mission school them, they're not supposed to be actively targeted unless there is something that we don't know. For the meantime, we call on the Bui warrior them, me them release all those teacher them, and we support the local population where they want approach that camp for the Bui warrior them, me them release their picking them. Now the same thing that would encourage all quarter them for inside Ambazonia. Say me then set up their own vigilante group them for make sure say no man no go can kidnap Pekin for their quarter and then me then she don't quiet. Would also be happy say this time the president name the group where it be behind the Bui warrior for this type of atrocity. It is very important say me go be accountable also for the life of our people of ground zero for try for protect them from this kidnapping for ransom. We then become now number one enemy for our liberation movement. So we be then also see say the same Bui warrior them. They be go kidnap for St. Augustine, also for inside Kumbude. Last year for 2019, then kidnap 176 students. This same Bui warrior, 176 students. When they go catch students for 80, this struggle now for that students their future. So we not go begin the harass students them for private school. No matter what happen, we no fit touch school students them. We fit arrest teachers where them be recalcitrant, where they need to follow the rule them for Ambazonia revolution. Usually, na government teacher them. We fit arrest government teacher the way they go teach. Yes, we fit arrest them, we fit question them, we fit sanction them humanely and release them. When it comes for private school and mission school, we need to engage them, not for engage them. We need to engage them so that they go fit obey the ghost town. On ghost town, they may they not teach. They go fit make sure that they follow our right curriculum. They need to teach French for our picking them. Now say it's supposed to day. For another news, we also want to inform people and say some our funds them where they be done run Ambazonia because they need to want listen for their people them because our population be done rise. It talk say we no want political participation again for inside La Republic. Make all the funds them, me then come out the shidong for us. Me all the so-called parliamentarian them, me then no go for La Republic, me then withdraw political participation just like we withdraw for Onugu, Tanwe Southern Cameroon, it will be with Nigeria for 41 years. We don't talk say me then withdraw. Some of those people chief them, they be go work with La Republic, fee say they go can key all man for village, me then come back. They don't fail. So the year now say His Royal Highness Nshem Mbinglo of the great land of Nso, if the one come back for village, would give you a blessing, make you no come with la republic them, me come like our own papa for inside for village, can shoot down with the people them. Me be neutral, me did it for all man, me no participate for politics. And would call on His Royal Highness Nsem Mbinglo, say make you no put food for inside la Republic du Cameroon, their House of Chiefs. Because if he put the food for day, he will receive a death penalty. Now the law of the land, they don't pass that law. So in another news, we don't hear say for inside Boya, they don't catch chief man for inside Boya. Then beat them. Who's that picture there? They don't catch chief man for inside Boya, then beat them. I wanna excuse because the technical will get some experience some technical difficulties. We get a lot for Gian for today. The picture is not oh yeah. So they want a picture where they come from Boya, where they don't catch chief man for Boya. They don't knock him. This one a big violation of human right. For we no need for detain for mob justice. And the only reason people they detain for mob justice now because the system it don't fail we. The time for Southern Cameroon, where police they can't do investigation, they be the arrest thief people them, go lock them when they thief. But for La Republic their time, the Cameroon military now also thief people. You call them, they go ask you say me put petrol for motor. So while people then be left on their own, when they face will be with the meet thief man, they take justice in their hand because there is no justice. We are fighting to liberate ourselves because of things like this. We cannot be killing people because they steal small thing. Thief man thief small thing because of hungry. Chop no first day, work no day. Now a crime, nevertheless, we no fit to go to do draconian laws them. We need to reinstitute our police force to protect our people and to make sure say me justice it be served. Me they need to catch thief man, leave you where they no sanctioning. Now so our country is supposed to function. And they also want to announce say we don't open a new community school for inside the Atlantic State. So I want to congratulate our education board and our general way they for inside the area and one call the area name for this great job where they done do for open this new community school. I will play the video. We're gonna see which way the Ambazonian Governing Council it do for Ground Zero, because as we boycott education with La Republic, now right for our picking them for get access to education. Even during wartime, we need to provide education for our picking them for fill the space where this war for liberation it for ground.
Good morning, sir. Yes, obviously I'm now a student in this for inside Ambazonia. Now it is this way we try for build them on ground.
So when I see Ambazonia, it will support school, will support education. We ask when I make una try for fund this school them, and many of the program they already do for Ground Zero. We need una support for support all the school them, and we need every village, every community for open up community school them, for recruit teacher them, and pay them for teach our picking them. Especially for this age, me then get at least some basic education. At least me the picking and get some basic education. So be very happy with our general. Would they install this new school? Call all part and for that village, me then bring the picking. This school, La Republic, we just come for this area. It can make propaganda video then go. But ADF, it don't come for that area. It don't open community school them. Talk me all part and send their picking for school. Me picking and then they just shoot on for house. So that we fit hire teacher them, me then teach the picking them how to read, how to write, and also for teach them with our own curriculum for a war standard education system during this war of our liberation. Education is very important. So now the thing that way that happen. We don't also get some near kill. We don't get operation for Atanganji Poor. For a long time, we don't try for target Atanganji Poor. We don't get intelligence say it be come for a house of Bamenda our forces then for the Bamenda Brigade. They don't go wait for corner. He has for 3 days. In overcome, they don't withdraw back for the attack. But first, me go start from Nkwen. I still get information. Say that side from Nkwen. We tongue 2 people then day for day, and Bameleke people then day for day. They need to respect the laws of the land. They need to respect the laws of the land. We call on tongue 2 people and Bameleke people then for our land. If una no fit respect the land, go back for una country. Go back for una country. As them talk, if you do for Rome, do what the Romans they do. So na picture in this from Nkwen, na video this from Nkwen, it show motor the way they violate Ghost Town. I take my time because when our boys they go and camp for them for can catch my motor, burn them or seize my motor, me the man no begin complain. Na motor this so na Monday this so for inside Bamenda from Nkwen side. For town, all thing it don't stop. All man that shidon say as a people, me go shidon for house only 1 day a week. Me go sacrifice Monday, country Sunday, so that our pikin they go see light. Now who strong head people and this work out taxi for inside country Sunday? Independent Day goes town. 32 motor them. Una see am. If we soldier then follow the motor, then go burn am. No be that man go start begin cry say, hey, Amber boy them wicked. He go start cry. Do you wanna wait so? How the whole town go to close? Only the people that for the tongue 2 area. The area for Kwende they do the kind thing. Soldier then they one come but they can burn people that store them. Now me I hold them now back. Now me I hold them back. So I send the message as soon as they watch me for ground zero. Say any man from Kwenwe they open his shop. Me be careful. Me be careful because if you can burn your motor, if you can burn your store, una respect the collective will of the people for Ambazonia. Una respect the will. What soldier then also we don't get intelligence say Atanganji Po, whether run Bamenda say go come back and visit the house. We don't keep soldier there for corner. 3 days, idele say it be been a prank. Atanganji Po in overcome. But I want to show you say we be there for a house in the mood. The waity. Na house for Bamenda that fence so. Na house for Bamenda. We get soldier the way they be where they don't mean and say even if na say me them go na suicide bombing. Oh sorry, not be suicide bombing. Suicide mission for take out Atanganji Po for take it out. So Atanganji Po that miss die. He that miss die. We wait only for Indumut. A word to a wise is sufficient. All the black legs, me they know say for the rest of their life, they will always run. So my fellow country people them, especially our people them for ground zero, Ambazonia debate it don't come for una. So today, I want to review a video. Me the show na tango the talk say somewhere Komensako and Chris Anu they do work for La Republic. Some of una need to believe me. Una need to believe. Una don't see this individual them for the CND, the Coalition for Negotiation and Dialogue. They don't bring all Ambazonia them together. The good, the bad, and the ugly. The only people the way they no go for day, na Chris Anu and Sako Ikome. And they cry the talk na only Swiss chocolate, Swiss cheese, Swiss chocolate, Swiss cheese. Now all the way they talk am. Because we know say they don't give the money for that Swiss government, that Swiss HD, they don't give the money, me then chop them for carry Ambazonia go sell them through that Swiss deal. So now the video this way, these two infiltrator them, then make them they talk about the incident for inside the National Coalition for Dialogue, their conference so they begin them.
Make it very clear, ladies and gentlemen, the interim government and the AG, Ambazonia coalition team were all invited to that coalition dialogue thing.
So the one I want just analyze, I'm gonna know what it happen, especially when for ground zero. Chris Ano the talks they invite them for the like saying some big thing. I was also invited. As a matter of fact, me and Lucas Asu we help them to go about the whole process of this their organization. This organization it don't bring all people for Ambazonia together, the good, the bad, the ugly. Federally so, union is so for bring them all together as a platform for demonstrate for them the will of the people as we don't see them way it come up for their poll way proof say over 86% of Ambazonia then one are independent. So Chris Ano and Sako they no go for the Fufuran tie for the hand because say na people where they work for La Republique de Cameroon their interest. So now here we see they talk.
Conference. But we turned down the invitation knowing that they have not endorsed the Swiss initiative. In fact, they are a distraction to the Swiss initiative because that thing came.
So Chris Ano the talk say these people they never endorse Swiss deal. Swiss I call it a Swiss deal. And there's a video that I need to share here as well. Let me get that video. So these people they never endorse the Swiss deal. When I remember this Swiss talks where they talk about them. There's one video there that I have to also share. Let me get it from my phone. Excuse me, sorry for the inconvenience. So the Swiss oh my goodness, can una fit imagine say this audio be available? I said our communication, Mr. Frank, if you did online, if you send me that audio again for Chris, I know he will be talk about that Chris about the Swiss deal so that if you play and people then hear. So what's where then I say audio leak audio they where Chris Ano them for inside their meeting. If they explain how the Swiss HD, if you don't give bribe for them, me then allow them, me then do the conference. After that, it can begin denying no be voice. So if we show now how these people they don't get no credibility at all. Nevertheless, the audio need to come out, but I will see play and hear what they talk.
Immediately, the moment we announced the Swiss initiative endorse the Swiss initiative. In fact, they are a distraction to the Swiss initiative because that thing came up immediately the moment we announced the Swiss initiative. And they
so this Swiss talks, Chris talks say these people then for the HD, they just start the HD because Chris Ano them then go announce and say negotiation there for Switzerland. All that one a lie. You don't get no relationship. This group of people na professional them for Ambazonia the way they are abroad. Big doctor them, big doctor put them get Google they for high position. They be see say our struggle it be divided and a bit difficult for bring all the groups them together to convince them me then take a single position towards negotiation. Now say that group start. Now all that group not they different from the HD. So Chris Ano the lie.
Or with an alternative. Now realize this, fellow Ambazonians. Every time we come up with something, La Republique always come up with a copycat for distraction purposes. We came up with the idea of negotiations.
So if they talk say the CND, the Coalition for Negotiation and Dialogue, say na a copycat for distraction, then why the resolution for their poll is actually the support na independence? Why the resolution actually prove say more than 86% of Ambazonia then want independence? If some person dey work for La Republique, the person for the try for disprove them. If they try to disprove them, no be say one talk for talk na say Ambazonia the one na independence. So Chris Ano no get credibility. They don't just take position because they don't chop money for take this position.
They put up their fake so-called grand national dialogue. Yes. We formed the interim government. They created a fake interim government. And
so Chris Ano they talk say, na them create the interim government, the IG group. Then na La Republic then go create your own IG group for instance Kundengi. But we know very well, say na lie, because me, Capo Daniel, I've been one of the creator of the AIG. Now we as Seseko them for Zaria for Nigeria will make this group where they call and say IG. So for Chris Ano for can talk, say na them make IG, then La Republic go make your own IG from Kundengi. It just show na say na man way, it lie. You know, get no credibility. These are liars.
And they have it behind bars. We come up with the Swiss initiative. They come up with the so-called coalition for dialogue and negotiation.
So as a matter of fact, these people, they're not really wicked people. They don't like we. The governing council then secured the European Union Institution for Peace, one of the biggest, most reputable organization for fight for peace, where get a mandate from the European Union. Now Chris Ano then go come after that one for can sabotage him for toxic than one and only the HD. They even make a letter for that for European Institute of Peace for toxic they no one time they want to have a sign an exclusive deal with the HD. European Union, since that's on good thing na institution where they first get a lot of conflict them around the world, then withdraw. So these people them na sabotage na saboteur them.
This is what La Republic is doing, and they know how to do it. Unfortunately, they use our own people to do it. But I am praying that we take this to the end, so that by the end, at the end of the day, history tells us who was on the right side. Mr. President, so please.
Why you not see person they repeat something plenty time? Now because the person they lie. If he say by repetition, people go surely believe the lie where they talk am. Let's say not true. Talk one thing, repeat them again. History. These people them na clown. And the foreigner say they don't deceive a lot of our people them. And for distract them from the real leaders them where they do the things and where if you give you freedom. Una here.
Ambazonians don't want the Swiss initiative. Is that what you are hearing from Ambazonians, sir?
Now about Ambazonia no one the Swiss initiative. Would the fight now for independent or the fight now for Swiss initiative? Swiss initiative. Would my tongue for here? Would the fight now for independence or the fight now for Swiss initiative? Now for which one would the fight them? So now on war it don't turn now for fight for negotiation. When I fight now for go negotiate. When I see Bali, when I force them for Bali, they die. When I not buy one gun. I mean one gun. All general they want deceive them. So when I go collect money for my trip to Boya, when I get plenty money, when I be in a government, when I will give them position. Deceive them for nothing. Genuine groups and they, even the genuine person when I begin that IG, Seseko they were prison, when I try to kill them.
Yeah, thank you for the question. You know, what is going on now?
When I see somewhere come Sako, as una know he already for ground zero. Na person way be pastor. He join church for Insa Kumba for Limbe. Then take credit, the church get credit union. It embezzle money for credit union for church. Open fake organization. Say one recruit people them. Go make them be in a nurse then travel go abroad. Collect money 800,000 without release the order on here. A con man. Now 419 that is. So we know how to use sweet talk for fool people them. Our job now for make sure say make any leader way they talk in, me be not way they feed do am, so that make our people they need to wait for nothing. Me they wait, the know see some person they do some hard job for them. Me they know kind of food they see some person they work for them for get independence, where the people they don't go carry the money to enjoy their life. Now our job that. So we would expose what they do am, make una know exactly what it happen.
Now is that there is a process which leads to eventual negotiation between the two sides, Southern Cameroon, Ambazonia.
As a matter of fact, there is nothing like a Swiss deal going on anymore. The money where we with the Swiss deal where Cameroon government began, the Canadian government began, they began share for them already. The Swiss deal it done finish. The Canadian government it done stop for sponsor them. La Republic step it done move the hand for day. They fight now desperately because they don't chop money for the place. Now the only way for them to survive. This one will be fight for we again.
And La Republique du Cameroon.
We'll fight now for ground zero against La Republique.
What we have is a UN endorsed process.
Look at Una see how the man they lie. Say you and that endorse the Swiss process. We don't get video them where United Nations they discuss for inside their session. They don't talk how delegate video it talk and mention something for day. They record as an endorsement. For UN for endorse something, they vote a resolution. They pass them for inside their subcommittee them or special committee or na United Nations Security Council for give a mandate. Why will Sako be lying to the people? Every time coming to lie to the people. To give them hope in lies. Our people have, because he wants to distract them away from the real leaders that are doing the right thing that is pushing the revolution ahead.
We have a UN endorsed process which we call the Swiss process.
So when I hear how person lie, say they get UN endorsed process. When not when the Swiss process is for the key man
by the UN. And it is led by an independent neutral party. So if Southern Cameroon, Ambazonia, if we want justice, if we want fairness, who do we want to be a mediator? Do we want a neutral, independent party that brings the two sides together? Or we want a party that is not neutral enough? Now, the so-called survey is advocating for a UN mediated process.
Where? Now who punish we with the one then so? Now who punish Ambazonia so? So it struggle for convince people that say United Nations, their intervention is not correct. United Nations back process for peace is not correct. It be less than the one for the HD Swiss. And the phone I say some people they feel believe even though they can't express it, some people they feel believe this way they talk them.
What we have is a UN endorsed process.
This man they lie. Unfortunately, my phone somehow now the audio this way, you the Chris Arno then catch you way it for inside the on chat group. It talk about them. I don't know why they play. I need to play again. See, don't go off my phone. In any case, for our people that way they go to watch me for ACN for Instagram 0 ACN TV, I want to tell a little bit about this man. This guy Sako. Now this way become live for Ambazonia about United Nations.
Victory is real.
Now listen for you. The one at the video for 2018. Where Samuel Sako he can form big lie all Ambazonia say United Nations that invite Ambazonia make we come for the decolonization committee for can make our case. He can lie for all man because he don't collect money for my trip to Boya Ichopam. When I hear big lie where this man can lie, then when I know say he no get no truth for inside he. Small truth no there for he. He no get no mess. He no the sorry happy people that they die they go. Now self people they do 419. I say they get strong heart for do bad thing. My country people now listen for which way he talk. When I hear lie where man go, should don't for a house. Form lie.
We have hit real strides and made great friends as we labor day and night. lobbying for genuine partners. The failed negotiations ongoing like never before. I am more than confident in the future of our nation.
When I hear something,
At this juncture, I would love to make this announcement. Our nation, the Southern Cameroons, has been officially invited by the Fourth Committee of the United Nations concerned with decolonization.
he go even bring us the fourth committee, he go look for, he go research all the big name if you call them. So, my country people them, this na complete lie. Always when I hear Sako talk and so na lie. I mean, absolute lie. Lie inside suit. Lie with tie, blue tie for your head. He don't shave his chin very well. They look like some better man so. Can't stand. Lie people them. Lie them completely. Say they don't invite you for some decolonization committee. Na the biggest, na big diplomatic victory that they make them. Then if he go again for talk say some country for Middle East, he don't invite Ambazonia who can play friendly match, friendly football. Just complete lie. Eh? Ma play on the video, me gonna hear the invitation where the talk say the United Nations Decolonization Committee invitee. Where they no invite na ye and some man they call him Professor Ayim, so na the come be. Then go apply for go talk poem about Zahari some small country where they fight for independence for up northern Africa. They be the plan say when they go for that conference, they go do to take picture where they for inside United Nations. Then come out and begin talk for us. I say they be down go for they go do diplomacy. While people they go to wait for some place where help enough to come out. So ma play the other video. Me gonna hear the actual committee where we go on. How they go tell now. The UN person go read them, go tell now which way they be actually we come do for day. All my video them be displays. I don't know how to put those video them. I will send the video again from my phone, from my mobile device. Somehow that video it never go for day. Well, I'll play them from here. Why not just play it from here? So now the video this.
Representing African Solidarity for Sawari and Mr. Martin Ayong Ayim, representing Living Stories and Memories.
So somewhere Sako he go write application for United Nations where they go discuss on thing for the United Nations be give meeting for talk about some small country they call and say Zawari state. Then go write application say the one can read a poem. Then he come and they make all the fat lie. All this fat lie.
Invited by the Fourth Committee of the United
All this fat lie for nothing. And they don't do plenty past this one, eh? Plenty past this one. Last time they go bring some powerful America way. Now the fake lawyer, they can take picture of them, say he want go sue Paul Biya for Geneva for International Criminal Court. Now say they do. Now say these people they do. Fake people them. So I go don't level for them because the material them be scatter and our technical team will see a new TV station. Will see arrange things them so thing them be chakara. I go take Unana for go for inside the Ambazonia Defense Forces for the great state of Bui. Our team for they don't go for their training. They don't finish their training, they don't come back. So we want to release some of the video them for their training. We're gonna see which way they go behind the scene. For know why the ADF soldiers them be very, very disciplined on the ground because we take time for do training. Now whether they survive plenty of them. So now one of the units this way they don't go train from the great state of Bui under General Kapo. Now then this make I play the video for share this moment with Una.
on veut faire la formation. La formation de 3 mois, 3 semaines. On est en brousse. On veut que tout le monde voit tous les enfants de Banzo qui sont en la République. Ils disent qu'ils viennent. On les attend. On veut faire la formation. Voici General Capo avec ses enfants. Ses enfants sont bien formés.
C'est spirituel. Marine Force, under ADF, in the command of General Capo. Marine Force, under the command of General Capo.
So now you see the training, how a soldier they train. You wanna say soldier they train. Now why I wanna say hardly before the Republic kill one ADF fighter because they do training, they take their training very, very seriously, then be highly disciplined, then be highly motivated to fight against the enemy, one enemy like Republic du Cameroon, and to fight to protect our people and their dignity. These are your army.
This is the one of the crawling and in times of danger they have to crawl on the ground in order to avoid being shot by the enemy. And
so now the training and that for our soldier them be highly motivated. I'll show now. I want to tell now say the ADF them be ready. Now our soldier and that them be ready. Them be ready for action. We'll get more soldier than today than we ever get time for this war. More. We'll get well trained soldier, well equipped. They need to fight again before that they don't go stand for Kunta bikini sharp Jonjo for up to take picture them. No, be picture by picture. They plan their operation like how they be plan operation them can carry out the big operation for inside Bamenda for the 1st of September. As then they so the music it beat small and I say it high they go. When I go see when it are ready, when I go see the operation how the operation them it go. So ladies and gentlemen, we're going to follow up the news where they come out the camp for America about the presidential result them. We don't tell on say a big day for America, the presidential result that they come. So me wanna stay focused, wanna stay tuned for ACN News. Na me Capo Daniel. We will have more program them. It will come up for now. We'll get some diplomatic cable the way they come up. We'll get also some line up there for interview them. Most of those things that will happen during the weekend. We're going to rebroadcast so much rich material than the way we nobody broadcast them over this TV. They're going to go on live. We want to thank Una for participate for this TV channel. God bless Una. Na Capo Daniel talk. May our revolution be short. May our independence be for long in a free and democratic Ambazonia. God bless.